Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. It's a beautiful morning and I'm out here trying to steal a quick fix of this thing right here. Brushless EDF on 2S. My first time trying to fly in a small space like this, so hopefully it feels well. Let's try it.
Warhead, Mayday, Mayday. This is Dagger 2-1. We are going down at Grid Square, Papa Bravo 2.
And that battery's dead. I did my best to try to glide it in for safe landing. I guess that was safe enough. I got a backup battery though. I had a feeling this one was probably going to be dead because I didn't charge it. I took a chance on it. But this one I did charge. Might have lost a little bit of paint from that landing.
Telemetry lost.
But let's see, hopefully this battery fits. Yep, it looks like this battery fits as well.
Telemetry recovered.
Let's see if we can get it in here. Yep, it's in there. Okay, so let's try again, y'all. Real quick. We got a little more power with this battery. I'll be forgetting you can't really give these EDFs too much of a break on the throttle. And it's yanking bank, so let's come around the other way. We're up high. This guy is fast. Let's try to come around for a landing. Enough excitement right there. I didn't have the wheel. I don't have the wheels on it, so I had to try to coast it in for a landing over here. That was the best I could do to try to avoid the trees and all of that. And just drop it in the grass. I guess we could say a successful little fix, a quick morning fix of the first EDF from VOLANTEX. Thanks for watching.